Guys, is impressive or just? Look here or just or he will. Already cleaning. This is Garage 1 guys, how are you doing? People, I will do a surgery. I gave you notice there, oh my gloves. And this surgery will not be a person. We'll be in the car. We're going to do some cleaning here. Deep here in this lighthouse. Look at the state of this lighthouse. The bug is yellowish. It is oxidized. And we're going to use it here today. Is not your knowledge, but the process might be a little different. So I decided to record this video, right? We will do a cleaning. No sanding, right? I want to see if it happens. Where you can't sell until you sell this service, right? For the customer. This here, it's about the right proposals. We already know that. There is the method that we already do, that is sanding. Polish. Lighthouse glazing. And I want to see if we can get one. Intermediate scale, where is a result? Satisfactory for the customer. And a cost effectiveness for the customer as well. And for you who are doing the right service like this. And I will use Delet on this. Decontamination of this yellowish one here from the lighthouse. Beauty, and then I will show you. Oh, does not lose. That I will show you step by step. How can you be doing there? In a very efficient way. Beauty, my name is Mayonetto here from the Garage Nun. Guys, do the following. I always comment here on my videos. If you like the right video, gives one join, comment there. Subscribes to the channel. Help out of this morale for us. This force. So, we can be showing this content. And who likes to drive? For more people. And let's stop tangled up and go to the video. You're seeing the state of the bug here, right? Well, yellowish. I decided to record this video here for you because we cannot miss this opportunity, nor people. So let's apply the Delet here. Guys, is impressivo. Just drumming. Look here, why? Just beating, no. He will. Already cleaning people. Paul, thank you, Paul. Look there. Now, we're going to let it slide here a little and start making a mechanical action to give a force here to the product is. Look there, people. Look there, oh. What a fantastic business, or. I know it's already knowledge of many people this here, but it's always good. We are recording this content because sometimes a little detail makes all the difference. People, look there. It's a joke. Look how it already turned out here, why? I will do like this. I will repeat the dose here. Right, it was very fast here, oh. But look at the honey that is coming down here. Show camera here, oh. Look here, why? Not to be confused. Look at the honey. Look there, oh. This is decontamination, guys. Really saw. Look there, oh. And if you continue applying here the Delet, it goes cleaning, saw. He goes cleaning, oh. Has no way. The proposal of the video here, which is, it's the traditional way we are doing. A decontamination of a lighthouse like this. It's with sanding. Dry sandpaper to remove the yellowish. Then you go to sandpaper. 1200 water base, so that you can already go about refining, right? And then go in with compost to do all the polishing. So after vitrification. Or a protection there with a good wax, right? Depending on what you sold there to your customer then. But here I want to see this proposal here simpler. You know, this is a simpler way. What we are doing here. Suddenly it got interesting to you. You can sell there to your customer. With price too. Is more interesting. Because let's go there, I'll beat a water here. And here I will remove here the excess here from the product. I'm with sprayer, people. That I'm recording the video here for the channel. You can come here with your VAP. And already take straight. It's good, here it is. More video. Demonstrating. No problem, guys. Look at this sinister stop here. Look there, oh. Look at the yellowish. Leaving O. You saw before how it was, right? Soon. I'm going to pass a cloth here now to dry it off. Galley or yellowish. I confess to you that he was practically all seen. Now the next. Him alone. He doesn't make summer. What it does here is oxidized decontamination. What we have to do here is open. With a polish. Nor people. Oh, what happens? How I'm talking to you. Is he already has marks of? With risks. With scratches from time. Born that past this here. It doesn't take away that you would have to go in with sanding, right? Is you make with sandpaper 600. If sandpaper 600 does not go down with the 320, and then go get all those scratches out here. Scratches you have on your headlight. His car doesn't have either. Delet does a cleaning and why? The Lighthouse turned otaku. Now it is. Me like this. I don't want to come in with the sandpaper here. 1,200. The water base I could enter. But this is not the proposal of the video. Deleted, so he really did this decontamination. And now I'm just going to open a shield here. I'm going to make a polish directly here at the Lighthouse. Saw people, let's go there, guys. I'll open the bottle with the right. With a rotary. A wool beret. You saw that the yellowish one is practically gone. Now, we're going to give the cigarette, because alone. Really, Delet does not solve this. This video here, what is its purpose? In order for you to sell. Faster service for your right customer. Sometimes on a headlamp polish. Cost X, and here you can be charging an affordable price. The headlight result will stay. It's interesting. I believe he will be pleased too. And it's cost effective for both parties, because let's go. Guy's business is too crazy. It's crazy. Look there, oh people. Continues pulling the headlight angle where he has some scratches. The headlight looks perfect. People is here, you can. Is selling this volunteer here to the customer. Good, right. I'll tell you here one value you could are charging here in a thing like this. Do you know how much? 150 real. It's good for you and it's good for the customer. The headlamp pair 150 that way we did. If it's a lighthouse to do with sanding. Vitrification then you charge there your 250. 300 reais. It's good so depending on your region. In our region is more or less that. So, ready I now here, what am I going to do? I will apply protection. It won't be a vitrifier to apply just one wax. This is crazy. That we gave here to the customer, right? right? It was here, it was just the car wash. But I couldn't let. He walks out with that lighthouse like that. Yellowish. Look at the result. I liked it a lot. Comment there what you found there. Moved or didn't change there. If it did not give a satisfactory result. Guys, and that's it. Take a look here at the visual camera. Show here how it turned out. We apply wax here now. And people, that's the proposal of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, subscribes to the channel, comments, leaves a join, looks like a lot. But it's in front of you, just press the little button there. People, thank you very much for watching the video until the end. And even the next video was worth. I'm a top notch, it's good.